Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We've had it, that's all right. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had it, that's all right. Take you there, take you there.
Welcome back, guys. So I'm here with BGM Girl here again. This is their packaging. I got the box in this tote bag. All right, really cute, and it's branded BGM. Then I also got, this is the packaging just like before. I got this wig, which I'm gonna get into. I got a drawstring bag, and this is what they place all the goodies into. I got a pair of lashes. I got a BGM Girl booklet. I got this card here, which, you know, just has information on it about TikTok and stuff, how you can share on there. And then I have two different kind of wig caps. I have a pair of HD wig caps that they sent, and a regular deluxe wig cap. A pair of regular deluxe wig caps. I also got this branded BGM Girl elastic headband. And then lastly, I got a bonnet. So that's everything that came in the bag. The bag is perfect for storage, as you guys know. So yeah, that's everything that came in there. This is today's wig. Oh my gosh, we're working with some inches. This is actually 26 inches long. And as you can see, it's a kinky straight textured hair. It is a 1B color, as I can see. What makes this wig that we're working with so special today, it is a 9x6 HD lace. Like, you see how good that looks in the front? HD lace. Wear and go glueless, pre-bleached, tiny knots, pre-plucked, natural hairline hair. All right, so this one is even upgraded with the C shape at the air portion of the cap. So I love that more wigs are getting upgraded like this. It's my second time, well, it's my second company that I've tried that have upgraded one of their glueless wigs like this. All right, so I think that's really nice. The knots are bleached on this wig as well, and they do have removable combs on the inside, so you could feel free, if you don't like combs in your wig caps, to go ahead and remove that. So you see, you remove it quite easily, and you can reapply it easy as well. It even says it in the back here that it is removable. And then you have the adjustable elastic band on inside of the cap, which is what really makes it easy to wear the wig glueless. So as you can see, I'm just adjusting that. So yeah, and then it also has these non-slip silicone strips, which really helps with the wig being secure on your head. It's a dome cap construction. As you know, you can remove that portion, and you can remove this if you want, but I like having this comb in the back here because it makes the back of the wig very secure on your head. Now, as I said, the knots on this lace, it's already bleached, and I need to let you know the reason why this is a tiny knot. It's regarded as a tiny knot lace turns is because there's only one hair going through a knot. So it comes out very realistic, very natural looking, very believable, right? The top, I must tell you, is very flat. Now with a 9x6 space, and it's a lace closure, as you guys know, because a 9x6, you have way more space to work with. So you're not just limited to a tiny space in the middle. You can do a deep side part, and you could, do braids in the front if you wish. It makes it very versatile if you wish to go ahead and style this closure wig. Also, this will lay really flat, and the fact that it is glueless is perfect for my beginners. You guys know these wigs are very much a plus. It's very full, very full from the root, from the top to the tip. Very full. I can't wait to go ahead and just straighten this even more with my flat iron. I know it's gonna be gorgeous, and it feels good, it looks good. My getting shedding, I only got one strand so far. I don't know if you can see, but I'm loving it. I am loving it. So yeah, that's how it's looking. Let me just go ahead, slip this on my head, and yeah, Let's go. So you know when you're working with these wigs, you take the elastic band portion and you just slip this on over your head. Absolutely no adhesive will be used for this install today. None of that. So let's get into it. So you just take the comb in the back and you just kind of, you know, push it in. You know, I have braids, so it's really easy to kind of just, you know, attach it to those. And then this is how we're looking once I slip the wig on. Very easy, very straightforward, very to the point. There's nothing confusing about working with these type of wigs. It's very user friendly and I love that they make it like this. You see how laid and natural that looks already? And there's absolutely nothing that I've done. Nothing that I've done to this wig. Like, are you kidding me? I'm always in love when I work with wigs like these. Like, usually when I'm working with these wigs too, what I'll do is just I get my real hair like on the sides here, and that's where I make a sideburn if I wish. You don't have to. You know, it's just my vibe. It's my aesthetic. So I always do, like, you know, my little sideburn pieces there, which I'm gonna get into. Now, I don't know if you guys can see the very front here. There is just a bit of the lace that doesn't have any hair, like no strands at all in here. So I usually just remove that bit. It's not a large portion at all. Also helps with eliminating like some of the cast that you're seeing. So literally this is all I do, just cut away like at the very edge where I feel like it has absolutely no hair strands. This is very easy for anybody to go ahead and slip on. So far this is how the entire hair looks, like how the entire wig looks on me. It's very full and very long. You're working with inches with this. I'm gonna lay the top even more and then I'm gonna run through the entire thing with my flat iron. I'm gonna do a very minimalistic kind of like glam. So I have just a light beat, well, a light glam, like nothing crazy at all. Okay, what I want to do is show you guys that you could part this anywhere you please within the lace area because it looks so good. See that? A lot of space. I'm gonna just run through the hair thoroughly with my flat iron and it's a vibe. Even before I do that, like, it's so cute. Like, what? So yeah, I'm just gonna take my time and kind of just speed through this portion. So this is a final look. Oh my gosh, look at that flow, and it comes all the way down past my waist, you know, almost. Yeah, I'm 5'1", guys, so yeah, it's gonna look long on me. It's 26 inches. As I said, the hair is so full. I'm going to be sure to put the density in the description box, so please be sure to check that out. But this is so gorgeous. By the way, it fits perfectly around the ear portion because, you know, as I said, it's a C shape, so it curves to accommodate your ears. This is the lace. Immaculate. Immaculate. And I just feel like this very soft, like clean girl, light makeup vibe. It's just so gorgeous with this hair look. Like, I know a lot of the girlies, they're enjoying this kinky straight textured vibe. I see why. Listen, it just give this healthy look, you know? It's just beautiful, man. Like, you really can't complain. BGMGIRL hair has always been that kind of company that really provides quality though. So like, look at that. I can't complain. I love it. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. I didn't even go in and reline or, you know, mark right here in the middle because I am contented with how natural the entire lace portion is looking. I feel like they bleached it well. As I say, everything is kind of like pre-done for you, pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-tinted, you know, and you have a lot of lace space to work with for a closure wig. I'm happy again that I could bring you guys another awesome like option where, you know, a great glueless wig is concerned. It's very stable on my head. Let's give it a shake test. Like, because I know the girlies be scared sometimes, like, is it secure enough? Like, there's so much inside of the cap to make the wig be secure on your head. So I love that. Absolutely no swoops, no baby hairs in the hairline. It looks amazing and very minimal, actually. Like, when I tell you minimal is next to none, but I've gotten like just a few strands. I experienced that a lot with this type of texture. Is just always like a stronger feel. So yeah, that's it for today's wig look. I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box. Shout out to BGMGIRL hair for a bomb glueless wig look. All the specifications will be listed as usual. That's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.